Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing another lookbook. I am doing a spring and summer lookbook, which basically has turned into when lockdown ends, post-quarantine, finally I can dress cute again, lookbook. So today I'm going to be putting together some outfits because I realized I have a lot of clothes and I don't style them as well as I would like. I'm very lazy with it, and I put like jeans and a t-shirt and I wear the same 8 things over and over again. So I pulled stuff from my closet that I wear all the time with stuff that I never wear from my closet, and we're gonna put them together and make a baby out of all of them and make little style babies outfits. That's the word I'm looking for. So some of these outfits I've wanted to wear forever and just never did because high school sucked. So I wore like a very limited amount of outfits. But I've been stuck in fitness wear and pajamas and sweats just like everybody else, and I just wanted to play dress up for a little bit. So here are some of my spring and summer slash post-quarantine cute outfits. Let's go. So this first outfit is probably the one that I will wear either the most or have worn the most. It's pretty casual. These shorts are just from Old Navy. They have like the best fitting jean shorts if you have like a thicker thigh but a smaller waist like I do. They kind of like taper in, you can see, and they come to a nice point. I think these are the high-rise ones. I'm not sure, but I just put a black tank top with it because black tank tops are like my go-to when I'm going outside and it's kind of nice out. And then I put my big blanket sweater over top just because sometimes it's a little bit colder at night in the spring and summer, especially around here, or in the morning if I'm running errands. And then the shoes I just recently got, but I have ones this style. Hopefully you can see. They are just flat little like Keds, but they are actually newspaper print with old Mickey Mouse and Donald Duck cartoons. So that's what they look like. I mean, they need cleaned up, but they're adorable. And yeah, so I love a good flat kind of Ked with a good pair of shorts, especially in the spring and summer. And when quarantine is over, my legs are gonna need some sun. So this outfit is in the same vein as the last one, just very casual and comfy, but it is definitely like 2013, like Tumblr girl-esque. I have on this big layered necklace that has like 2 chokers with like a puka shell and like all this stuff. I got it off like some Instagram thing. But then I just have a kind of cropped sweater tank top, so there's a little bit of texture. And then I threw on this like loose knit kind of cardigan. It really like does nothing for my shape at all, and neither does this shirt. But there's some days I just want to be comfy. So I like outfits like this that I can throw on and still be kind of stylish. And if I really want to, I can tuck this in and hike the waistline of the shorts up, and you can see my shape a little better. But yeah, I threw in the bow in the hair to really pull it all together, and then just some like beaded bracelets. These are the same shorts as last time, so Old Navy. And then these shoes are just my Vans from, I think I got these at Journeys, but they are the Toy Story Alien ones. So yeah, these are like my favorite shoes I own, and I don't wear them much because I don't want them to get ruined. But yeah, love this, and love this outfit. Alright, so this might be my favorite look just because it is such a throwback to how I used to dress, not going to school, but like on weekends when no one could judge me. This is I guess another Tumblr girl kind of outfit, I guess. I don't know. I love wearing tights under shorts, especially when it's summertime, like early spring and summer when my legs are still white as snow. So I have on, these are another pair of Old Navy shorts. These are a little bit older than the last ones, but they make the same styles basically every year. And then this is the Wanted shirt that I got from the first time I saw them in concert. And yes, in this house, we still stand the Wanted. Hashtag bring it back. So I just put this in to the shorts, like I tucked it in, and then I rolled the sleeves up because this is a unisex fit. The sleeves are a little bit long on me, but I just put on these purple sunglasses because I have about 1,500 pairs of sunglasses that I never wear, And then just black tights from Target and my boots that I wear constantly and rebuy every time I wear out a pair. So this next one is basically the same as the last one, just changed the top and the accessories. So this is a men's flannel. You can probably tell by the fit that it's a little bit looser, a little baggier. This is one that Sean gave me that he like never wore, and I always just roll the sleeves up. I usually do wear this shirt around my waist instead of as an actual shirt, so this is a little different fit for me. Sometimes I will wear tank tops under it so I can take this off if I get hot and then tie it around my waist. It looks cute either way, but the boots are the same, and instead of wearing sunglasses as my like accessory, I have on a navy blue headband that kind of matches the blue in the shirt. It's a little bit lighter, but it's a nice contrast. So again, this is just kind of like a grungy look. I don't know, I always wanted to be like grungy and edgy and wear things like this, and I never did, so like why not now? I'm just bringing like 2015, 2013 Tumblr style all the way back. I'm gonna be the resurgence this year. Why not? Who cares? There are no rules anymore. Okay, so this next one is obviously a little more modern, a little bit different. I still have the tights and boots on, but I decided to pair this skirt from Forever 21. It's called, I think, a utility skirt. It's actually longer and has a unfinished hem, but it is too long on me, so I tuck the hem up under just to the bottom cargo pocket. As you can see, it's kind of falling out in the back, so that it doesn't hit me at a weird length, because otherwise it cuts me really weird and just doesn't flatter my shape very much. And if I pull it down too far, then it looks weird. But anyway, I put it with a belt from Shein and a top from Fashion Nova, and then these big mirrored sunglasses from, I think, the same place I got the layered necklace. So this one is like a dressy Kim Possible, if you will. I just think it's cute for like a casual date night. You can always, of course, take the tights off and switch out the shoes. Or if you like wearing boots without tights, that's totally your prerogative. But yeah, this is just like my a little bit edgy, but a little bit simple, more chic kind of look. So this look will probably be one of my most worn looks that I wear all year. I got this top from Shein. I hauled it and tried it on in another video, as well as these pants that I actually got from CVS. But these are like my hippie pants. They're so light, they're so comfy, they hold the waist in really nicely. It flatters me. I usually wear them with my big chunky wedges. I just cannot be bothered with putting them on right now. And then I have these neutral sunglasses that I thought went really well with it, and then just some beaded bracelets. This is like so effortless but looks so put together and dressy because you have the nice pattern on the pants, and they are bell bottoms, and they're just so light and loose and stretchy, and they have pockets. The material is so nice. I wore something like this for my engagement party, so you can totally wear it to something dressy and be, you know, a little fancy but not overdressed. So yeah, this is my like favorite go-to when it's super hot out look, because everything's light and nothing clings, and that is the end of my post-quarantine cute outfit lookbook. If you guys are doing cute lookbooks for spring and summer or post-quarantine, let me know. I'd love to check them out. I am looking for outfit inspiration all over, like I'm sure many of you are. But I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you subscribe. Check out my other lookbooks on my channel. There's a whole playlist of them, and I think I've done 3 in the past, and I have one coming up on Saturday as well, so look out for that one. But until then, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.